So, good morning, students. Today we will start with a new topic, which is Erythroblastosis fetalis. Erythroblastosis fetalis. It is an important topic as it is a direct short note question asked in MBBS and also in class 11th. So let's study this topic in detail. So, erythroblastosis fetalis. So, first you need to study about RH antigen. So, RH, those who have RH antigen are RH positive, while others are RH negative. So RH positive, that is 80% people are RH positive and only 20% people are RH negative. So RH positive, they have an antibody, which is antibody D, while they have no antibody. So this is the key difference between them. So erythroblastosis fetalis is the special case where the mother, who is RH negative, and the fetus or the child is RH positive. So what is the condition taking place at that time? We will study that. So this was the basis of RH RH blood grouping system. So the mother is RH negative, while fetus is RH positive. So in genetics we can deal with this properly if I make it as one case is case one case one is all RH positive, and case 2 is 50% RH positive, that is the child, and 50% RH negative. So if the fetus is RH negative, there is no issue in this case, but here we are dealing only in this part of the scope, that is all RH positive or 50% RH positive, because this condition occurs only when the fetus is RH positive, and if the fetus is RH negative, this condition will not happen. So what happens during first pregnancy? That is first pregnancy, the fetus and the mother are well separated by placenta. The fetus and the mother are well separated by placenta. So after the first pregnancy, the child born is normal. Means during the first pregnancy nothing happens because the fetus and the mother's body is well separated by placenta. This is an important term in this case. Therefore, the child born will be normal. But during parturition, during parturition, mother's blood is exposed to the fetus blood. Mother's blood is exposed to the fetus blood. This is called feto-maternal leak. Feto-maternal leak. So what happens if the mother's blood or vice versa, the fetus blood is exposed to the mother's blood? Mother's body starts preparing antibodies against Rh blood group. So what happens? Mother's body starts preparing antibodies against Rh blood group. So mother's body eventually starts preparing antibodies against Rh blood group. So now you can predict that what will happen during the second pregnancy. Let's move on to the second pregnancy. Note it down first. So I'm rubbing it. So during second pregnancy, So during the second pregnancy, the mother's blood will leak into the fetus body. So, as the mother's blood contains antibodies and now it is not well separated, so the mother's blood containing antibodies against Rh blood group leaks into the fetus body. Now what will happen? You can see that RBCs of fetus will start destroying. There is a reaction due to which the RBCs start depleting, leading to anemia. Which afterwards may lead to severe jaundice because breakdown of hemoglobin produces bilirubin, which causes severe jaundice. Anemia and severe jaundice. The child is born with anemia and severe jaundice. So now we will see how to treat it. Basically, treatment, you can say that keep treatment is that phototherapy. We keep the child in the like case, and light is flashed towards the child, so that the bilirubin becomes less toxic and soluble. So by becoming, bilirubin becomes less toxic and soluble, thereby it comes out through the urine. This is a treatment sort of thing for jaundice. And anemia, we can, blood transfusion is the treatment for anemia. But how we can prevent this condition, which is erythroblastosis fetalis, or another name for it is hemolytic disease of newborn. Another name for it is hemolytic disease of the newborn. So how to prevent this? Let us write how to prevent this. So there is a simple prevention which is used, that is administering anti-RH antibodies to the mother within 24 hours after the first pregnancy. So this is the prevention for it. That administering anti-RH antibodies to the mother within 24 hours after the first pregnancy, so that this case we can avoid this condition, which is erythroblastosis fetalis, or a hemolytic disease of the newborn, which is given this name hemolytic disease because hemolysis takes place, that is breakdown of RBCs. Erythroblastosis fetalis means erythroblast cells are seen in the fetus body. So this was the video on erythroblastosis fetalis. Hope you loved this video. Thank you. Keep learning.